Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk through how to turn off email notifications for direct messages on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you've been getting constant email alerts every time someone sends you a message, and it's starting to clutter your inbox, this quick guide is just what you need. Let's get started. First, open the X app or website on your computer, and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your home screen, look to the left side menu. You'll see a list of icons and options there. Click on Notifications. When the Notifications page opens, glance toward the top right corner and select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can fine-tune all your alert preferences. Next, click on Preferences. You'll find different categories for how X notifies you about activity related to your account. Scroll down and choose Push Notifications. This section controls the alerts you get directly from X, including those that might also trigger emails. Inside the Push Notifications page, you'll see several different types of alerts under the heading Related to You and Your Posts. Find the option labeled Direct Messages. If it's currently checked, that means email notifications are still turned on. To stop getting those messages in your inbox, simply uncheck the box next to Direct Messages. That's it. Your changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to click anything else. From now on, you'll still get direct messages on X, but you won't get those extra email notifications every time someone sends one. It's a simple fix that helps keep your email clean and your focus on what matters most. If this video helped you tidy up your notifications, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it useful too. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tech tips just like this one.